What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some turkey and cheese cucumber sandwiches along with some cauliflower hash browns, you guys. But before we get into this video, you guys, you already know, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys, we have some turkey and cheese cucumber sandwiches, and we got some cauliflower hash browns, you guys. We about to see what these joints taste like. Yeah. Let's bow our heads. Amen. Let's see what these joints taste like, y'all. See that? Yeah. Oh, see what this joint tastes like. Oh, look at y'all, saw that sauce. Look at that sauce dripping. Oh. And I tell y'all, I mean, it's all on the table, y'all. But when I tell y'all these turkey and cheese cucumber sandwiches, so good. Give me 1 second, y'all. I need to go get some paper towels. I always forget. Every time I sit down, I'm gonna get some paper towels so I can clean up this mess right here. All right, now y'all, we're getting ready to try these cauliflower hash browns. You see that? Oh, yeah. Ooh. When I tell y'all those are bomb, y'all, when I used to go to Waffle House and get the hash browns, I used to get mayo. I know it's probably sound disgusting to y'all, but it was so good to me. Mayo and ketchup, I mixed it together and put it over my hash browns. And that's exactly what I did after this video, y'all. I went and got me some vegan mayo and some ketchup. Mixed it up and put it on them hash browns, y'all. Yep. All right, you guys, here's what we're going to be using. So we're going to go ahead and place the cauliflower in the microwave. I microwaved it for about 3 minutes just to get the cauliflower soft. Now that the cauliflower is ready, we're going to go ahead and place it in a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Once you put the cauliflower in the baking pan, we're going to go ahead and mash. Add your seasonings. I use Cajun seasoning and I use some Parmesan cheese. Next, you're going to pop these joints in the oven. I let them stay in the oven until they became like golden brown at the top, but I'm going to give an estimate of maybe 15 to 20 minutes. All right, you guys, the cauliflower hash browns are ready. Cucumber sandwiches are ready. I don't know why that one's all the way over there, but yeah. And there you have it, guys. Cucumber, turkey, and cheese sandwiches and some cauliflower hash browns. Ooh, don't that look good, y'all? All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.